Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to start our Mathematics Whirlwind Brain Root series. Today we will start our chapter number 20, which is patterns. So let's read about it. Patterns have great importance in mathematics. अगर हम patterns की बात करें तो maths में ये बहुत ही important माना जाता है. As you all can see, many kind of shapes are given. So these all are patterns. The study of pattern helps students in learning to observe relationship, find connections. It also helps students to make deductions, generalizations and predictions. Alright, we use the term patterns in variety of ways in daily life. हम अपनी daily life में भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्या करते हैं, patterns को follow करते हैं. A dress pattern, a carpet pattern, a wallpaper pattern, right? We have already studied about some geometrical patterns in class 3rd. हम already geometrical patterns के बारे में class 3 में read कर चुके हैं. The patterns considered in this chapter involve number relationship only. लेकिन हम यहाँ पर किसका relationship देखेंगे, केवल numbers का relationship, right? Recognizing a pattern, किस तरीके से हम एक pattern को recognize करेंगे numbering के form में, right? Suppose we have already taken 50 numbers 1 to, right? So only 7 numbers out of these 50 have been shown. यहाँ से कितने numbers given है? Only आपको 7 numbers. If we look carefully, we can say following them about the given numbers. The given numbers are odd numbers starting with 1. ये जितने भी numbers हैं ये सब odd numbers हैं. Each number is more than the previous number by 2. हर एक number कितना ज़्यादा है? अपने previous number से 2 ज़्यादा है. Thus the above number represent a pattern. तो ये सब number क्या कर रहे हैं? Pattern को represent कर रहे हैं. There is a definite relationship between successive numbers. और जितने भी successive numbers होते हैं उनमें एक definite pattern follow होता है. So we will look after further in the chapter and we will try to solve the questions. Finding rules in patterns or generalization. किस तरीके से हम pattern को find out कर सकते हैं? Let's read about it. Give a pattern in numbers or operations in numbers. We can find a rule by which the pattern can be extended. Right? Study the sum. आपको क्या करना है? Sum read करना है. जैसे 1 is equal 1 multiply by 1. 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. It means 2 multiply by 2. If we will do the addition, तो 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. तो in these numbers we have already got कि क्या हो रहा है, proper pattern जो है follow हो रहा है, right children? Now we will study the pattern follow here. यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे, ये भी जो हमारा pattern format है इसको भी हम read कर सकते हैं. तो number of numbers and number of numbers. तो ये multiplication एक formula होता है. 5 5s are 25. फिर जो 55 आया उसमें 5, फिर 555 आया, then 4 times 5 तो then 5. Again we are following a pattern. यहाँ पर एक बार 5 था, 2 times 5, 3 times और 4 times 5 है. Alright, और हमने क्या किया है, same 5 से ही multiplication किया है. Alright children, I hope you understood. Now we can see in the following examples that is the same procedure that I have told you. You just have to do the addition and you just have to find out the pattern. So here you can read the examples so that you can take the help and try to solve the exercise of this chapter. If we talk about exercise 20.1, you can see complete the multiplication pairs given below. इन सभी complete क्या करना है, complete करना है. That is very easy. 3 3s are 9, 2 4s are 8, 7 7s are 49. Simply you just have to do the multiplication and complete the pattern. All right. Now you can see 3 numbers when multiplied together give the same answer as when they are added. What are these numbers? अगर 3 नंबर को जैसे 5 5 5 तीनों सेम है, मल्टीप्लाई किया, what will be the answer? You just have to write. All okay? So kindly follow the rules and solve the book exercise of this chapter. Study the pattern in each of the following and find the missing numbers. You just have to read the pattern and you have to complete the ahead. Okay? जैसे 2 4 6 तो क्या है, इवन नंबर्स हैं, एंड में 2 2 का गैप्स है, तो ऐसे ही +2 करके आपको कंप्लीट करना है इस पैटर्न को. ऑल राइट, सो काइंडली अटेम्प्ट ऑल द रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज. So I hope you understood the method how to find out the pattern. So you just have to read the questions carefully. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for new video.